Hello, welcome to my project. This is a GitHub page for it. So it's Kafka Airflow, and DMK stands for my initials. So the purpose of this is project is the POC for ingestion of the streaming data into the database with Kafka and Apache Airflow. So this is something that I did on my spare time. So the tech stack is Kafka, Apache Airflow, Python, which I used PyCharm, and also everything is done in Docker. That was the easiest way to do this POC. So I installed Docker on my Windows machine, and I downloaded the images for the Apache Airflow and Kafka SQL Server as a standalone. So now let's look at the architecture. This is architecture. It consists of three parts. So Apache Airflow itself. Then here is the database metadata, and also data tables. That's where we bring data staging tables and production in the end, and extract. That's where integration logic is. That's done in Python. Then also there's a producer job and consumer job. They all both written in Python. And there is a free tool UI for Apache Kafka that also written in Python, and it's I downloaded and installed it inside my image. Docker image. So I'm using the this is my proprietary database, metadata storage, where it has all components like the job configurations, logs, and other orchestration for processing jobs on any platform. So in this case, I just chose to run everything on Apache Airflow. So now let's look at my job. So I have a producer job that creates messages, and it ran and it created, as you can see, messages, 1,000 messages, and it also we have the letter Q, and also here I ran consumer job. It was called Kafka ETL doc, so it's completed successfully. And besides looking into the logs here, we can also look in a log that I created. So for Kafka producer, it would be, you can see here quickly, there's also every step is log, and then when I run the when we run consumer job, it also all steps are recorded, so it's easier. It's in addition to Airflow logging. So that's it in a nutshell. Thank you for watching.